Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Welcome. Where are you from?
Chennai, sir.
Okay, very good. So, what are you doing now? Nanavel, what are you doing?
Well, I will studying in MSc Computer Science.
Oh, very good.
Final
Okay.
year. Final year main project. I will do.
Oh, very good. Good. So, you already know a little bit of PHP and all that?
Yes, sir. I already mini project was used front end for HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Ajas.
Oh, very good.
Um,
Good, yeah. Fabulous. Very nice. So, I think we'll start off. So, let me share my screen and then we will start off. Yeah, so what we'll do is, Gnanavel, I'll shortly present the rules of the Zoom meeting so that we are sticking to the rules of Zoom meeting and we are doing. So before that, let me start off with a short prayer. Lord, we praise you for who you are. We thank you for everything that you've done in our lives. We have complete faith in you that you're taking care of us and we surrender all our needs to you. Please be with us and guide us. Amen. So, Danavel, the rules of Zoom meeting are you should always keep the video on. Please stay muted always, and when you want to ask a question, you can always ask a question. You can unmute and ask
no.
a question. And then this session is only to clarify specific doubts you have while going through the video lessons. This session is not meant for general learning. Those are taught in the pre-recorded videos. So in all the videos, you will find that. Please be on time. Of course, thank you for being on time. You were on time. And the session is for 30 minutes. And session will be recorded and video will be shared in the group and on YouTube for the benefit of others. Ask questions that are part of the course curriculum only, and sit in a location where there is a good internet connection. And I think your internet connection is quite good. So a little bit about me. I have been personally programming since the last 25 years. I've done my mechanical engineering and MBA in marketing and finance. I've worked in three different companies for 7 years, and then Rejola has been there from 2011. So this a little bit about Rejola. Basically, Rejola is a software company. We make softwares, mobile apps, and websites. We are not a training company. Reach is a completely free training program that we are doing. We are planning to do something on a paid training also with more interactions, but we will do that sometime during this year in 2021. So we started in 2011. We have more than 195 customers now. This is a little old number. We have 195 customers. We are there in more than 10 different countries in the world. So that is about us. And having said that, I think I'll come to asking you if you have any specific questions from the course content. Do you have any specific questions, Gnanavel, you would like to ask? Anything specific? Yeah, you can unmute and ask if you have any specific questions you would like to ask.
Sir, I have already HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. I will learn, sir.
Okay.
This section will be attend.
Yeah, Mercy, whatever you have learned, the HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, this session, this Saturday session, now at 9:30, is basically to answer any doubt you have. If you have any doubt or any
Okay,
help you
sir.
want,
This
yeah.
this three chapter will be learn. Any doubt? You asking the question, sir?
Yes, correct, correct. You can ask
Uh,
any question you have. That is the purpose of this particular training. Do you have any questions? Do you want to ask any specific questions?
Sir, Bootstrap was used responsive website was created, sir.
Correct.
Mm, the effective website was how to create, sir. Bootstrap using.
How to create an effective website?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's a
Using Bootstrap.
Bootstrap. Okay. See, that's a very theoretical question. It's not a technical question, but I will still answer your question. See, whenever anyone wants to create a website, the first thing they should have in mind is why are they creating the website, or what is the purpose of the website? Like you may be creating it for some company, or you may be creating it for some person, or maybe for a community community or an NGO or whatever. So when you're before starting even the first code on an HTML page or anything, the first thing is you should have clarity. Why are you creating the website? Who are the audience? Who is going to use the website? So once you have those details very clear, that who is the target audience and what kind of data will come here, is it going to be a static website, that is the data is going to be same always, or is it going to be a dynamic website where the data is going to change as per the user? So all these things you have to get before you start the actual building of the website. And once you have decided that, then you also have to think about, will this website be used mainly on laptops, or will they also be using it on mobiles? Will the is the crowd who is going to use it, are they going to use it on a mobile phone? Then in that case, obviously you have to think of Bootstrap, because Bootstrap helps you to make the whole website responsive, and you can not only see it on a website on a laptop on a larger screen, you can also use that particular page on a mobile also. So such questions you will have to ask, and you can then decide how to build the website, what kind of a layout to use, how to use Bootstrap to ensure that the responsiveness is happening properly. So all that you can start building after you have got all these theoretical concepts ready. I don't know if I really answered your question, because your question was too broad. So anything specific you can ask, because ultimately the purpose of this Zoom session is to ask specific questions. Do you have any specific questions? You have to unmute and ask.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Okay. Do you maybe I'm more interested to find out about the project that you have done. You've already completed a project. You said with
Yes,
HTML.
sir.
Yeah.
Mini project will be considered.
Okay. What did you do in that project? Can you explain a little bit what you did in that project?
The project was used in office company sector, sir. And my concept, my title name is chat application with the file sharing. Most of companies were dependent on other third party app, third party software only used it. So, uh, sir, can you speak in Tamil?
The problem with Tamil is that we have many people in reach who are from different parts of India, even many from other parts of the world also. So if you speak in Tamil, they will not be able to understand. So I don't have a problem. I'm from Chennai, so I can speak in Tamil. But
Little bit of English only, I
no
will know.
problem, no problem. Doesn't matter. We are not trying to.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, please.
Sir, that application was used in only company sector, sir. Most of them used for cell phone, but a nearby person also calling the telephone. Any doubts and any problems will be clear on phone. Uh, the interact the person. The person was hardly worked in on focus of process. uh, Suddenly they interact the phone calling, the distraction the person. So I will start about the person. The person was highly worked the process. The notification will become the computer desktop the corner will be notified
Okay.
this problem the nearby person. So
Okay.
அது solve the problem, sir. Only
Very good.
chat phone மூலியமா பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா chat பண்றோம் sir. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Very good. Very good. Good. So this project, when did you do? Which year did you do this project?
Sir, the project was two members, sir.
Okay.
Two member to use it, sir.
When did you do it? Which year?
Sir,
When did you do that? Did you do it last year, or 2020 or 2019? When did you do that?
2020, sir. This
Okay. Okay.
November, sir. This
Okay.
November.
November. Okay. Very good. Okay. So when are you completing your MSc Computer Science?
May, sir, 2021 May.
Very good. So
The main project will be as sir. So I will work the company side by side. The main project was finished, sir. Don't
very good.
problem.
Very good, Gnanavel. So all the best. Complete all the levels of reach program, and we will be happy to take you in our team in Rejola. So complete level one, level two, level three, everything you completed before your project starts, so that you can also have a job with us, and at the same time you can also do your project also. So does it sound good
Okay, sir.
good for you?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Great. Okay. So Gnanavel, if you don't have any questions, we can close now. Okay.
Sir, the section will be closed in 10 o'clock, sir. So 9:42 தான்.
Yeah, but then if you don't have questions, we close. Otherwise, it's only a question answer session. If you have any specific questions, you ask and I clarify. If there are no questions, we close it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So
this 4 level process, how many months are going?
there is no time. It depends on each individual. Like if you already know HTML and CSS, and if you complete the homework in level 1, you can immediately go to level 2 within 2-3 days. There is no time. In level 2, if you know PHP, MySQL, Ajax, if you already know that, you can complete the homework within 1 week or within 2-3 days, and you can go to level 3. So there is no time. So since you are from MSc Computer, for you it may be little easy to complete all the levels fast. But imagine if someone is coming from, let us say, electrical engineering or some other course, and they are trying to do, they will take a lot of time like that. So it is
Yeah,
individual to
yeah, sir,
individual
I
basis.
will understand.
Yeah. So you can complete all the levels in maybe 1 or 2 months also. It will all depend on how fast you do it.
Sir, the level process will be done. If your company ask me, sir, interview.
Yes, ma, definitely. If you complete level 4, we in our company in Rejola, we have openings. So we will take you ourselves. We want good, committed, passionate programmers who can, create solutions, software solutions. So we have openings. So if you are very good, if you complete all the 4 levels, we will be happy to give you a job.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any more
Okay,
questions
sir.
you have?
So nothing, sir. This group I will join new, sir.
Okay.
Yesterday night I will create the account.
Okay.
Not approval that, sir.
It will be
I
approved. Don't worry. It will be approved. Yeah.
அது அப்ரூவல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உடனுக்கு உடனே எல்லா ப்ராசஸும் பண்ணி முடிச்சிடலாம். இப்போ நாங்கள் ஃப்ரீயாக
Definitely.
தான் சார் இருக்கோம்.
Sure, very good. You put a message in the group saying that I have.
I already group இது பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
Very good. Okay. But it will be approved. It will be approved.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do you have any more questions?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Okay, then
Okay,
we'll
thank you,
close.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.